5 mind-blowing ways to manifest wealth using the law of attraction. Welcome to Winning Wealthy, your ultimate guide to financial freedom. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to attract wealth and success effortlessly? The secret lies in the power of the law of attraction. In this video, we'll be sharing with you 5 mind-blowing ways to manifest wealth using the law of attraction. Whether you're looking to achieve financial stability or to build wealth, these techniques will help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and manifest the wealth you desire, stay tuned for 5 mind-blowing ways to manifest wealth using the law of attraction. Technique number 1. Visualize your dreams. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest wealth and success in your life. To make this technique work, it's important to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. The more vivid and detailed your vision is, the more likely you are to attract it into your life. The power of visualization is that it helps you align your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired outcome. When you visualize yourself having achieved your goals, it sends a powerful message to the universe that you are serious about making it happen. To start using this technique, set aside some time each day to visualize yourself having achieved your financial goals. Imagine what it feels like to be financially stable or wealthy. Imagine the things you would do with your money, the places you would go, and the people you would help. The more you focus on this vision, the stronger it will become, and the more likely you are to attract abundance and prosperity into your life. Technique number 2. Focus on gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you attract abundance and prosperity into your life. When you focus on the things you are thankful for, you start to see more opportunities for abundance and prosperity to come into your life. Starting each day with gratitude is an effective way to set the tone for a positive and abundant day. Take a few moments to reflect on the things you are grateful for, no matter how big or small they may be. This simple act of gratitude will help you feel more positive and optimistic about your financial future. The power of gratitude lies in its ability to attract more of the same into your life. By focusing on what you have, rather than what you lack, you open yourself up to receiving more abundance and prosperity. So, make gratitude a daily habit, and watch as your life transforms for the better. Technique number 3. Be positive. Being positive is one of the key elements of attracting wealth and success using the law of attraction. Positive thoughts and feelings have a powerful impact on your life, as they send a message to the universe that you are ready and open to receiving abundance and prosperity. Believing in yourself and your abilities is crucial when it comes to attracting wealth. Believe that you are capable of achieving your financial goals, and that you deserve to be wealthy. When you have a positive mindset, you will be able to see opportunities where others see obstacles. It's important to stay positive and never give up on your dreams, even when things get tough. Remember that setbacks are a natural part of the journey towards wealth and success, and that they are only temporary. Stay focused on your vision, and trust that everything will work out for the best. So, keep a positive outlook, and watch as abundance and prosperity start to flow into your life. Technique number 4. Take action. Manifesting wealth and success is not just about visualizing and having positive thoughts. It's also about taking action towards your goals. The universe responds to action, so it's important to take steps towards your financial goals every day. Start by setting achievable financial goals, and then create a plan to reach them. This could mean creating a budget, saving more money, investing in a new business opportunity, or anything else that will help you reach your goals. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. Success often comes from taking bold actions, so don't let fear hold you back. Remember, taking action towards your goals is what will help you manifest wealth and success in your life. So, make a commitment to taking action, and watch as the universe starts to bring abundance and prosperity into your life. Technique number 5. Surround yourself with positive people. The people you surround yourself with can have a big impact on your ability to manifest wealth and success using the law of attraction. Positive and supportive people will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals, while negative and unsupportive people can hold you back. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, and who are also working towards their own financial goals. These people will provide encouragement and support, and they can also offer valuable advice and insights. Joining a supportive community or a mastermind group can also be beneficial. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals will help you stay positive and focused, and it will also provide opportunities for growth and learning. So, be selective about the people you surround yourself with, and make sure they are positive, supportive, and motivated to help you reach your financial goals. By using the techniques outlined in this video, you can start to manifest wealth and success in your life using the law of attraction. Remember, the power to attract abundance and prosperity lies within you, and by focusing on positive thoughts and taking action, you can start to see real results. If you're ready to take your financial success to the next level, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel and visit winningwealthy.com for more wealth resources and tools. Our team is dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals, and we have the knowledge and resources to help you get there. So, start putting these techniques into practice today, and watch as abundance and prosperity start to flow into your life. Visit Winning Wealthy now and start on your journey towards a wealthy and abundant life. Thanks for watching.